Good evening. I am Varsha Ambe from Vidyapratishtan's College of Engineering, Varanasi, India, from Electronics and Telecommunication Department. My project domain is of underwater signal processing, and my project title is Filtering of Non-Stationary and Non-Gaussian Noise Sources from Underwater Ambient Noise.
In this picture, underwater communication is given. In this, water is used as a channel medium and acoustic signals are used to transmit and receive as information. In this scientist is transmitting a kind of acoustic signal to this scientist. But because of reflections, spreading, reverberation and absorption, this scientist is unable to receive the acoustic signal sent by him. So this phenomena is happened because of ambient noise. Ambient noise is the background noise created to attenuate the information during communication. Hence, the need of identification of recognition for acoustic signal is necessary. The performance of a sonar system is strongly dependent on the estimation of the detection level of ambient noise. Hence, the knowledge of the ambient noise is very important. Here are the sources of ambient noise. First is the man-made noise and second one is the natural noise. Man-made noise is the noise created manually because of ship noise and because of storms, because of the movement of turbulence of the underwater vehicle, and other noise are because of oil and gas exploration. And the second one, natural noise, is the noise created naturally because of molecular motion in the water, and surface noise, and also because of the wind noise, rain, and others are hydrodynamic sources, ice cracking, etc. The ambient noise sources have been characterized as stationary, non-stationary, Gaussian, and non-Gaussian. But my aim is to find out non-stationary and non-Gaussian part in the ambient noise signal, and the obtained part is filtered out by using the adaptive filters like Kalman and Wavelet. This is my real database recorded at the coastal area of Goa, and I'm going to work out on these ambient noise signals to check whether the signal is non-stationary and non-Gaussian. This is my simulated result obtained by applying different statistical tests, and this is one of the ambient noise on which I have worked out. As the length of ambient noise is of 4 lakh samples, so I have finalized a segment value which is of 20,000, and that segment is varied overall the signal and checked for that interval whether the signal is Gaussian or not. In this, the Lilliefors test is used first for checking the Gaussianity. The red marked signal is of non-Gaussian part of the signal, and the blue marked signal is of Gaussian part of the signal. In the same way, the Anderson-Darlington test, Kolmogorov-Smirnov one-sample test, Shapiro-Wilk test are applied. According to the different conditions for each test, I got the non-Gaussianity part in each test. And the second one is the non-stationarity output results. In this also, one of the ambient noise is used and applied the KS2 sample test for that whole signal, but as the length of signal is very large, so I have segmented whole signal into 2 segments that I have plotted here, and the distribution of each segment is checked out, and the distance between those distributions is plotted on this axis, and the distance is checked with the threshold value P. According to the KS2 sample test condition, I got the non-stationary part which is of red marked. In this way, I got non-stationary and non-Gaussian length by using the different statistical tests. And the conclusion part is of finding non-stationary and non-Gaussian test is because ambient noise is the main reason to decrease the performance of a sonar system. If I remove those parts of non-stationary and non-Gaussian part of the signal, then the sonar performance will be improved as per our expectations. Thank you.